Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to cover chapter progression of exercise 6.7, 6.5, 7th bit. Okay, of chapter progression. Okay, what is given here? If the GP 162, 54, 18 and 2 by 81, 2 by 27, 2 by 9 have their nth terms equal. Find their values of n. Okay, first add on the given terms of first series, given term of second series. I have taken here first series terms A, that is first term 162, T2 is 54, T3 is 18. In second series, A is T1 value is 2 by 81, second value is 2 by 27, third value is 2 by 9. Now we need to find the common ratio of both the series and also n value. Okay, so what is common ratio for in the GP series? T2 by T1, T3 by T2, so on. So we need to find common ratio for both the series. I have done here. So after simplifying, we get R equal to 1 by 3 in the first series and R equal to 3 in the second series. Okay. What is general term of an GP? General term of GP is Tn equal to A dot R power n minus 1. But given that both series, first series and second series, the nth term are equal. Okay. How to proceed that? The nth term of first series is Tn equal to A dot R power n minus 1. This is nth term of second series. Okay, we need to equate these two guys and find the value of n. I have written here both nth term series and I simplified here. Okay, I simplified here. We got n value as n value equal to 5. I hope you understand this sum. Please go through once again. If at all any doubt is there, you can comment me in the video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. We'll update other sums in the next video. Thank you.